So guys, this is going to be our movement for the day on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button, make sure you like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So guys, make sure you subscribe. When you take a look at this your New Zealand dollar, you can clearly see that our full main trend, the full bigger trend is on an uptrend. This is our main trend. This is our full trend. We are in an uptrend right. But when you take a look at what market is doing currently, market is currently. So we are going to look at it. Right? Now, why are we expecting that drop that market is that bearish move currently? What we are going to be analyzing right now. Now, we've actually highlighted some key levels, which is this level. This is seen as our support level. Market also gave us a rejection level, a support level. Gave us a rejection level here. This is also a rejection level. You can see a candlestick sticking out. This is also another rejection level right here. Now market is now dropping back to this level. So market is now dropping onto our support level. And this is to tell you that whenever market drops to tap our support level, you should expect it to bounce up. That is what we're expecting on New Zealand dollar JPY. Now, if you go down to the 4-hour time, you can see that market has given us a multiple rejection right here. So market has now dropped. So with this moment, right, we should expect a pullback and then one more drop is what we are going to be expecting on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So guys, a bearish move is still what we are going to be expecting on New Zealand dollar JPY. So let's see it drop to tap a level of 92.212. So currently we are trading at 92.637. So such a movement should be giving us about 50 pips. Once it drops to about 50 pips, then I'm going to give you guys an update and let you guys know if maybe markets will eventually start rejecting and push up or it will continue to drop down. I'll make sure I do the updates and I'll make sure I let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe without for you to miss out on the